Hello and welcome to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching Programming in Java series for beginners. So in this video we're going to see about writing our first program in NetBeans IDE. In our last video we have seen about writing our first program in Eclipse. Now we're going into the NetBeans IDE. So first I'm going to go into my NetBeans IDE using the desktop shortcut that I've created when installing NetBeans, and you can use your own method of opening it. So for Mac and Linux users you have to use your application folder in order to access the NetBeans IDE. So it's going to take up some time to open it out, and it's open now and we are at the start page. I'm going to close the start page. So in order to get started you have to first create a project. I'm going to use my new project, and it's going to be Java application, so we're going to create a Java application. I'm going to press next, and I don't want to create main class, so just undo that, and I'm going to give the name WebDevMentors. So you can see that the WebDevMentors folder is created in the NetBeans project folder, which is in the documents of your operating system. So it differs with operating systems, and also it differs with the users that you have. So I'm going to click finish, and it's going to create my project. It's going to take some time in order to create the files. So now my project files are created. It doesn't have any files at the moment, so I'm having nothing. So I'm going to create a Java class to begin with. It's going to be hello world. So first program is always hello world. So it's going to give you a warning because we don't have any package specified. Just not going to use any package at the moment, but later on we will be coming to creating a package and putting our classes into that package so that you can use it or reuse it with another packages as well. So packaging some classes is very important when you go with a lot of codes that is coming in your application. So I'm going to click finish. It's going to create my class file. It's hello world.java, and you can also see that the class has been created. It's going to be identical to the name of the file. So I'm going to create a public method which is going to be my main method. So you can see that if I make a mistake, it's directly going to give me a warning. So that's what you get with the IDEs. So I'm going to create public static void main, and I'm going to have the parameter string args as an array, and my main method is created, and you can see that the keywords are shown in a different format compared to the methods and also the parameters. So you have the public, class, and all those keywords in blue, and the methods name on class name is a little bit darker than a normal parameter name. So I'm going to print out hello world in this program. So I'm going to type system dot, so it's going to give me the suggestions whichever I want to. So I'm going to start typing O for out, so it's going to give me out dot. I'm going to need println, so I'm going to start typing print, and it's going to give me a lot of suggestions, so I'm going to use println, so within which I'm going to print out hello world. So program is pretty much completed, and I'm going to run this program. So in order to run it, press the run project button which is on the top. When you press that, you would be prompted to select the main class of this application. So select hello world as the main class and press OK, and your project will start running. And it has given me the output hello world. And just these things are just showing that the compilation process and the execution process is run successfully. So if you have an error, it will be specified in the console window itself. And I'm also going to add another println in order to print out WebDevMentors. Hello WebDevMentors. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run the project, and you can see that the output is shown. So it's going to take very less time compared to what you take in the notepad and command prompt, so you don't have to actually wait for anything, and you don't have to type extra stops. So one button is going to compile and execute the program for you. And that's actually the end of the program, and you can see that the IDE is very useful in finding out errors or warnings when you're doing something wrong, and also executing it very fast. So that's the end of the video, and I hope it was useful. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And if you have any comments or suggestions or feedback, please feel free to share it in the comment section of this video, or on the Facebook page, Google page, or on the Twitter feed of our channel. And you can also contact me personally through my social links, which is in the description section of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.